Have you ever felt overwhelmed by an endless to-do list or stretched too thin trying to do it all? What if I told you there's a principle that could revolutionize the way you approach your time, energy, and even relationships? Welcome to the world of the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto Principle. This simple yet profound concept reveals that 80% of your results often come from just 20% of your efforts. Whether it's boosting productivity, improving your well-being, or finding more meaning in your life, understanding the 80-20 rule can be your ultimate game changer. In this video, we'll unpack how this principle works, why it matters, and how you can use it to focus on what truly matters in life. Let's dive in. The 80-20 rule, originally introduced by Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto in the late 19th century, is a principle rooted in observation. Pareto noticed that 80% of Italy's wealth was owned by 20% of the population. Over time, this idea was found to apply not just to economics but to many aspects of life. For example, in business, 80% of profits often come from 20% of products or customers. In work, 80% of your results come from 20% of your tasks. In relationships, 80% of joy or stress may come from 20% of the people in your life. But why does this principle work? Life isn't linear. Not all efforts yield equal outcomes. Some actions, choices, or habits are disproportionately impactful. The key is identifying these high-impact activities and prioritizing them. How to apply the 80-20 rule in your life. 1. Audit your time and energy. Start by analyzing where you spend your time and energy. Write down your daily activities and evaluate which ones contribute the most to your goals or happiness. Are there tasks you're spending too much time on that don't really matter? 2. Focus on high-value activities. Once you identify your 20%, double down on them. If you're working on a project, focus on the few tasks that drive the majority of results. If you're building relationships, nurture the ones that bring you the most fulfillment. 3. Learn to delegate or eliminate. The 80-20 rule is also about letting go of the 80% that doesn't serve you. Delegate tasks that don't require your unique skills, or simply eliminate activities that add little to no value to your life. 4. Apply it to your health and wellness. Even in fitness, you can use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the exercises or routines that yield the most benefits for your body. In nutrition, prioritize the foods that give you the most nourishment. 5. Use it for goal setting. Instead of setting 10 goals and spreading your efforts thin, focus on 2 or 3 that truly align with your passions or long-term aspirations. The rule helps you achieve more by doing less but with greater intention. Why the 80-20 rule is life-changing. The 80-20 rule teaches us the value of prioritization. Life is short, and not all tasks, relationships, or opportunities are created equal. When you focus on the small percentage that truly matters, you free up time, reduce stress, and create room for what genuinely makes you happy. However, it's important to remember that the 80-20 rule isn't rigid. It's a guideline. The ratio doesn't always have to be exact. Sometimes it might look like 90/10ths or 70/30ths. The point is to shift your focus toward the things that bring the most impact. Common misconceptions about the 80-20 rule. It's not about doing less work, but doing smarter work. It's not a magic solution, but a mindset shift that requires consistent reflection. It doesn't mean you neglect the 80%. Some of that may still need attention, but it shouldn't dominate your time. Now that you understand the 80-20 rule, imagine how transformative it could be if you applied it to every area of your life. By focusing on what truly matters, you can achieve more with less effort, nurture deeper relationships, and live a more intentional and fulfilling life. The beauty of the 80-20 rule is its simplicity. It's not about working harder but smarter. So, what's one area of your life where you could start applying this principle today? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a purposeful life. Remember, your time is precious, so let's make the most of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.